students doing the iOS app as developer.
Hi, I'm Krill and I'm also developing the iOS system in our app.
Hi everyone, this is Luis. I'm the C# developer.
Hi, I'm Paul. I'm also assigned as a C# developer.
Hello everyone, so my name is Ravinder Singh. So I am the Android developer for our very interesting and unique app. The name is Time.Balance.Fit.
Hi, my name is Ernest and I'm the Android developer for our TBF application, which means the best is the fitness app or Time.Balance.Fit.
Hi there, my name is Angel. I'm the AWS developer in this assignment. Our idea is to construct an app to help people to monitor their wealth, their health, and different indicators to address some kind of issues that can appear in the future.
So when we first started to build this app, it was fun. Like, I've learned how to put together an app, the layout, the design, and all.
Yeah, and as well as like you have something in your mind about the design that you want for your app, and putting all the codes together, it's a nice feeling to see that your app is actually working at some point. So these are the learnings and the fun part of doing this app.
But the first struggle that I've encountered was the navigation. So how to navigate from one page to another, that was one. And as we go deeper is the post and get. So it was really technical.
Yeah, and for me, I would say the button. Like, I want to make the button clickable and doing assigning the action for that certain button. But yeah, with Shizar's videos, it really helped us how to really design our app with all the buttons really functioning. And in the future, we are really hoping to finally finish and complete this project with all the buttons and navigation and all the pages and slides that would work perfectly.
Struggle for me, yeah. First, I'm new in the programming industry, so it's just new to me, those coding structures, those objects, and how it works. So for me, there's a need for further research and checking the another resources for the codes to be used in design, in the functions. And how about you?
Yes, for the navigation bar also, since this is my first time to see this code, because this code is my first time to navigate for me, and also the API. The link for API is very hard, difficult, but it's very challenging, and then it's very exciting once your code is successfully, what do you call that? Successfully working, right?
For me, what helps me is those videos from Shizar. It really helps me to provide what he said is the minimum viable product. So when there are times that my programs doesn't work, so I need to debug it on my own and check if I have some typographical errors. And it's doing that process, I learned a little bit of debugging as well, not just the coding. Debugging, yeah. You learn debugging when you code as well. So before, I don't understand those how it works, how it functions. So now, little by little, I got to explore these areas of the system.
Yes, that's correct. Since he said that this app is very important to us. Once we already achieve or meet our goals, we can do this in real life, because this is we can take advantage, so that you can check your health and check your sleep hours, and also you can check your fat, right?
Why would you check your phone?
So I feel it feels a very interesting journey. So as I'm building my own Android app. So this is my first time to using the Android Studio and building app by my own self. But yeah, and there are many problems that I had in my app, like as I had problem with my posting the data and also getting the data from server. However, the videos that CR made that are so much helpful for me, and he always help in the class, and now we are learning very new things that feels very interesting, and I feel like if I put my more effort, then I can maybe I can do good work, good work in this field. Maybe I will learn more, and I can do better in this field, and so please keep updated with our app, the Time.Balance.Fit. So it is very helpful to keep us on the track of be fit as fiddle, and help us to remind, and also it's very helpful to remind us about our goals, about our target, or what type of the fitness we are trying to achieve. So keep watching, and be updated with our. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
So this is our goal. Me as an AWS developer, this was my first time working with this app. I really enjoyed the time that I spent with it. It was hard because as every new software, you have to start learning how you have to address the coding, how you can understand what are you doing when you are starting to get to know the program. But it was really useful. I really enjoyed this program. I see myself in the future working with it. The challenges I faced were, for example, the idea of trying to do something, but I couldn't know how to get to it and how to solve or do that thing that I was having in my mind at that time. But it really helped me to find help with my professor Shizar, or to find by myself in the internet some kind of help for me. The future plans to the app is to create more databases, link them with AWS assistants, and to try to understand how people would make more useful the app for themselves. So that's gonna be my goal, to solve these kind of issues. Thank you.
Learnings. For the past few weeks, I've been learning how to code the Android app using Android Studio, and this was my first time to code using the Android Studio. What challenges I faced was integrating the post and get links to the app, posting and getting databases, and however, with the use of Shizar's videos, definitely I learned a lot and then used it on many things already. Right now, I'm enjoying
learning how to code on Android apps, so I can also see myself in the future using Android Studio to make a lot of applications. Right now, what I wanted to do is a lot of users to download it and to design the application as it can be useful to everybody. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.